Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with the revision of lesson number 1, the world we live in. As you can see on the screen and also in your book, page number 10, the world map is given. So, what is a map? A map is a geographical representation of Earth's surface drawn to the scale on sheet of a paper. So in your book it is world map is given. Here I'll show you the map of India, which is drawn on the flat surface. Here another map I'll show you, which is of our state Gujarat. So this is nothing but the actual representation of the land area, the world. So children, we are going to start with continents. The large land masses are called the continents. We have 7 continents. Let us look at these continents from the largest to the smallest. We'll start with Asia. Asia is the largest continent, covering approximately 30% of Earth's total land area. Most of it lies in the northern hemisphere. This whole continent is surrounded by the 3 oceans: Arctic Ocean in the north and the Indian Ocean in the south. The Pacific Ocean lies to the east of Asia. Some of the important facts I'm going to explain you. The landscape ranges from deserts, mountains, forests, rivers to plains. All these landscapes are there in this continent Asia. This continent is also rich in oil and gas reserves. It is one of the largest producers of the electronical appliances, different food grains and different spices. The 2 of the major countries called China and India, which are world's most populated countries, are located in this continent. The 10 highest mountain peaks are also located in this continent. Mount Everest, which is the highest mountain peak in the world, is also situated here in Nepal. The Thar Desert is found in India, which is also called the Great Indian Desert. The Gobi Desert, which is a cold desert, is in Mongolia, which is also located in the continent Asia. The world's largest country, Russia, is in the north of this continent. So the next continent is Africa. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. This continent is bounded by the Indian Ocean on its east and the Atlantic Ocean on its west. To its north is the Mediterranean Sea. It is connected to Asia by the Isthmus of Suez, on which the famous Suez Canal was built. So children, you must be wondering, what is an isthmus? Isthmus is a narrow piece of land with water on each side that you can see in the picture that joins 2 larger pieces of land. A narrow piece of land with water on each side that joins 2 larger pieces of land, just called an isthmus. Here I'll share you some important facts about the continent Africa. Children, as you can see in the picture, it has equator passing right across it, which makes the temperature of this region very high. Generally, they find the hot climate in this area. It is also believed that this continent is known as Dark Continent because a very little was known about its history and the people who lived in it. Hence, the land remained a mystery. The world's largest hot desert, which is called the Sahara Desert, is found to the north of this continent. The Kalahari Desert and the Namib Desert are also found in this continent to its south. This continent is also a home to the world's longest river called River Nile. The highest mountain is Mount Kilimanjaro, and the largest lake is Lake Victoria, which is also found in this continent, Africa. There are huge deposits of gold and diamonds in South Africa, which has made this region very rich. In fact, it is believed that 50% of diamonds are produced through this continent, Africa. So, the next continent is North America. North America is the third largest continent. It has the Arctic Ocean to its north, the Pacific Ocean to its west, and the Atlantic Ocean to its east. This continent is also known as the New World as it was discovered late. This continent is home to the most innovative companies called Apple, Google, and Facebook. The main mountain ranges are the Rocky Mountains, which run down the western side of this continent, and the Appalachian Mountains, which run down the eastern side. Mount McKinley is the highest peak in this continent. The Mississippi River is the longest river in North America. The continent has 5 Great Lakes on the border of Canada and USA. But before that, we need to understand what is a lake. A lake is a water body that is completely surrounded by land, just an opposite of the island. The famous Niagara Falls is found in this continent. Now children, at the end, you are given one green box. In that, few blanks are given based on the continents which are already explained. So let's solve it. The very first dash was called the dark continent, Africa or Asia. So the answer is Africa. So we'll put a tick mark on it and we'll write it in the blank. Second, the world's largest country is dash, India or Russia. So we'll put a tick mark on Russia. Russia is the largest country. Dash is a desert found in south of Africa, Kalahari or Sahara. So the answer is Kalahari. Sahara Desert is there in the north. The longest river in North America is Mississippi or Nile. The answer is Mississippi. So the next continent is South America. South America is the 4th largest continent in the world and lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. The Pacific Ocean lies to the west of this continent and it is connected to North America through a narrow piece of land called the Isthmus of Panama. The Andes Mountains, one among the longest mountain ranges in the world, run along the western coast of this continent. As you can see in the picture, the largest river of South America, the Amazon, starts from the Andes mountain and runs to the rainforest, Amazon rainforest, and flows into the Atlantic Ocean. Due to its sheer size, the river is sometimes called the River Sea. Amazon rainforest is the world's largest rainforest and it is also called the lungs of the world. The world's highest waterfall, the Angel Fall, is in the South America. The Atacama Desert, the driest place on the earth, is also there in this continent. South America is the highest producer of coffee in the world. The next continent is Antarctica continent. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent and is located in the South Pole. It is the coldest, windiest, driest and highest continent. This continent is called the White Continent or the Frozen Continent because 98% of its area is covered with snow and ice. The highest temperature recorded here is 17.5 degrees Celsius and the coldest is minus 94.7 degrees Celsius. Due to such extreme and hostile weather condition, it is not possible for people to live here. Although there are many scientific research stations present here to study the weather and other forms of marine life around the continent. Birds such as albatross, penguins, and some kinds of seals and whales live here. Not many plants grow here except the certain kinds of algae and lichens. The dry condition in Antarctica make it the largest desert in the world. Mount Erebus is the most active volcano on this continent. So children, at the end there is one green box given which is based on the previous explained continents. The world's highest waterfall is dash, Angel Falls or Niagara Falls. Yes, the answer is Angel Falls. We'll put a tick mark and you also have to write it in the blank. The dash connects North and South America, Isthmus of Panama or Amazon rainforest. The answer is Isthmus of Panama. The dash river is called the River Sea, which is Amazon. So children, the next continent is Europe. Europe is actually connected to Asian landmass and hence the whole landmass is called the Eurasia. Europe plus Asia, that is Eurasia. It is bordered by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Mediterranean Sea on the south and the Atlantic Ocean on the west. The Ural Mountains are found to east and they divide Europe and Asia as you can see in the picture. The three major countries called Norway, Sweden and Finland together form the Scandinavian Peninsula in the north of Europe. The smallest city called the Vatican City is located in the continent Europe. Our next continent is Australia, which is also known as island continent as the whole continent is surrounded by water all of its sides. Australia is the smallest of all the 7 continents. It has the Pacific Ocean to its east, the Indian Ocean to its west, and the Southern Ocean to its south. The majority of Australian population is found on eastern and southern coast. The rest of this continent has just barren land or desert where no human beings live. The world's largest coral reef, the Great Barrier Reef, is also found off the northeast coast coast of Australia. Animals such as koala bears, emus, and kangaroos are native only to this continent. So here is end of all continents. I hope you all have understood this.